Today is the grand anniversary of our town, and everyone is excited. I always believe that every single problem has a clever solution.
Welcome to the museum, children. Today is a very special day.
Grandpa Joe, is it true there are secrets hidden inside this building?
Yes, Lucy. Our town has many memories waiting to be rediscovered.
Let's explore the deep hallways where fewer people usually go.
This hallway is so quiet compared to the noisy main lobby.
Hey, look over there behind those heavy red curtains, guys.
Wow. I have never seen this massive wooden door here before.
Grandpa Joe said this door has been locked tight for 50 years.
Wait a minute. Why is the keyhole glowing so brightly right now?
This is amazing! The legendary door has finally unlocked today!
Should we really go inside? We don't know what is in there. Don't worry, Noah. Let's be brave and discover this secret together. This is beautiful. It is a whole hidden garden inside the museum.
Look at all these lovely flowers and the bright sunshine here.
Look at this toy train. It has someone's name carved on it.
This silver watch is still ticking.
Ah, you found the memory garden. It holds our town's happiest memories. But listen closely, children. This door only stays open for a short time. To keep this beautiful garden alive, we must help our neighbors.
What do we need to do to keep this magical garden safe, Grandpa?
You must return each forgotten keepsake to its rightful owner before sunset.
We do not have much time. The sun will set in a few hours. Let's look at this old red journal. It has Mrs. Evelyn's name. And these sewing scissors must belong to Miss Emma, the kind tailor.
I think this lovely ceramic bluebird belongs to our neighbor, Mr. Thomas.
We promise to return these treasures and save the beautiful garden. Let's go quickly. We have a very important mission to complete. The town square is so busy today. Where should we start searching? There is Mrs. Evelyn sitting by the old oak tree over there.
She looks a little sad. Let's go cheer her up right now.
Hello, Mrs. Evelyn. We found something very special that belongs to you.
Oh, my old journal. I thought I lost this 50 years ago.
This journal has all the wonderful stories of my happy youth written inside.
Thank you, Ben. You have returned a piece of my heart today.
Look, a tiny spark of light is flying back toward the museum.
It worked! The garden is getting stronger because of your happiness, Mrs. Evelyn.
Next stop is the tailor shop to find Miss Emma with her scissors.
Miss Emma is always so busy making beautiful clothes for everyone. I have so much work to finish for the anniversary celebration today.
Excuse me, Miss Emma. We have a very special surprise for you.
Oh my goodness! My grandmother's favorite silver sewing scissors. I used these to make my very first dress when I was a young girl. I miss these so much. Thank you for bringing back this sweet memory.
The sun is starting to go down. We must find Mr. Thomas quickly.
I wonder where my old ceramic bluebird went. It brought me such luck.
Hello, Mr. Thomas.
Is this the lucky bluebird you were looking for?
Yes, that is it. My mother gave me this ceramic bluebird long ago. This little bird always reminded me of the beautiful summers in our town. You children have made my day so bright. Thank you so much.
Look, the blue spark is flying high into the evening sky now.
We did it! We have returned 3 important treasures to their owners. Wait, we still have a few more keepsakes left to return before dark. This old metal whistle has the initials of the old town coach, Mr. Miller.
Let's run to the park. Mr. Miller might still be coaching the team.
I can't find my old whistle anywhere, and the game is about to start.
Coach Miller! We found your classic lucky whistle in the museum garden.
Wow. This whistle brings back memories of our championship victory 50 years ago.
That is another wonderful spark of memory, flying back to the garden.
This beautiful paintbrush must belong to Mrs. Clara, the famous town artist.
Look, Mrs. Clara is painting the sunset right there in the town square.
Hello, Mrs. Clara. We found your favorite vintage paintbrush for you.
Oh, my favorite brush. I used this to paint the giant town mural years ago. The purple spark is joining the others, making the sky look magical.
This final brass key has the initials of the museum itself on it.
The sun is almost gone. We must run back to the museum immediately.
Hurry, everyone! We have to reach the ancient wooden door in time! We are back, Grandpa Joe. We have returned almost all the treasures. Look, the door is slowly shutting. We need to hurry and enter. Let's go inside and put the final key back where it belongs. Wow! The garden is so much brighter and more beautiful than before.
You did a wonderful job, children. The garden is safe and alive now.
I am placing the final museum key back into its home.
The circle of memories is now complete and safe for the future.
The flowers are blooming so happily because of our neighbor's joy. I feel so happy knowing we helped our friends remember their past. This is truly the most magical place in our entire town.
It is time to go back now, children. The sun has finally set.
Goodbye, beautiful garden, until we meet again next year.
The door is locked once more, but our hearts are full of joy.
We kept our promise, and the town's history is alive and well. Let's go enjoy the big anniversary party with everyone else now!
Look at them sharing their stories and laughing so warmly together.
Thank you again, Ben. You brought our community closer today.
These scissors have a very long and beautiful story to tell, kids.
My bakery feels complete again with this little bluebird back home. You proved that friendship and kindness are the greatest treasures of all.
Every old object has a story, and we should never forget them, Grandpa.
Our hometown is full of love, memories, and wonderful, kind neighbors.
Cheers to friendship, family, and the magic of our beautiful town.